Hello guys, welcome to Lali Said We Have, and it's been a while since I uploaded a video. Well, welcome back to the channel one more time. So those of you new to the channel, if it's your first time, kindly hit that subscription button and then hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to see. Alright, so today we are going to do something very entertaining in ArcMap, something that is very important, especially for cartographers and spatial analysts. So we are going to learn how to create fishnets or create compartments in ArcMap. So this is our image, and this is a map of Ghana located in West Africa, and this is it. And I have created grades out of it. So I've compartmentalized the map to give me grades with specified width and then dimensions. Okay, so you might be wondering what a fishnet is. So to simply put it, a fishnet refers to a grid or a mesh of rectangular or square cells that cover specific geographic areas. So if I zoom in, it's just a grid or a rectangle or a square that cover a geographic area. So these grids are useful um, for purposes such as spatial analysis. So you might want to use the fishnets to help you divide your study area so you can perform uniform cells to make it easier for you when you are performing your spatial analysis, such as density calculations, overlay analysis, and more. So you realize that if I want to perform spatial analysis in this area, and I've been able to create uniform cells, it will ensure my accuracy, right? So assuming I want to perform my spatial analysis here, and then I've been able to create different fishnets. I can perform the density here, density here, density here to ensure the accuracy of my analysis. And also fishnets are very important, especially when you're trying to do sampling. So fishnets can be used or are used to create sampling points or areas for data collection, allowing for a systematic and evenly distributed data collection. So assuming you're a soil scientist, you want to perform certain analysis like groundwater pH, water holding capacity, mineral concentration, and what have you. Using something like this would be very difficult. So what you have to do is just to create different cells. So you can take from sample 1, take from sample 2, take from sample 3 and 4, so you can ensure the accuracy and precision of the data you are trying to collect. And also for the real estate people, you have a piece of land, acres of land, and you want to zone them or compartmentalize them into equal um, measurements. This tool is very useful for you. So assuming I'm the one selling this land, so based on the dimensions I'm going to use, I can be able to create different type of grids. So let's see how we can perform this too. So we can take this off. Let's see how we can perform this analysis. So there are always ways to go. So you can just search for fishnets. All right, so I've already searched for it. So we have it here. We are not going to use the first one, right? We are just going to focus on the grade index because we are trying to work on the grade. So we are going to open it and then it's going to show you the tool. Or better still, you come to your Arc toolbox, you come to your cartography tools because we are cartographers. Yes. Then you come to your data, you come to the data driven pages, and then you have it here. grade index features. So you click, you upload the input feature, you give it a name, then you specify the width and the height of it. So I want the width to be this 16,000 and 800,000. So you can probably use any units you want depending on what you are trying to do. So here I'm using meters. Then here you leave everything as such. Then you click OK. So it's going to create the grids for you. So as you can see here, it has created the grids nicely for us. So you might want to know which one is your plot 1, which one is your plot 2. So you can open your attributes table. You can see here. Then you label features. However, I want mine to come as the page number. So I can just come to my properties and then go to labels, then select page number and OK. There you see it here. So that's that. So if I'm doing my soil sampling, I know my sample 1, my sample 2, sample 3, sample 7, 8, and what have you. So this is basically how to create fishnets in ArcMap, and it's very, very easy and very, very time efficient. So probably you want it to look in a more nice way, you want it to be in the shape as this. You just need to come to your geoprocessing tool and then you clip it so we can take this off. So in our case, this is going to be our input feature, and then the boundary would be our clip feature. Then we perform it and we see how the results would be like. So when we take this off, there you go. Now we have it as exactly as our Ghana map here. So you see, you notice the difference. So I always advise anytime you are doing it, when you are done, make sure you perform the clip. Then you can label features if you want. So there again, I don't want this, I want the page number. Okay, so now I have it here. This is region 1, region 2, region 3, 5, and what have you. So you see, this is basically how it looks like. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something very educative today. Kindly share the video, comment your thoughts, and if you have anything you can just add it in the comment section. Then we can get interactive there. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope we meet in my next video coming up soon. Till then, bye.